Hello again, RV Jerry here. This time it's about the septic tank, gray water and black water tanks. So I replaced all this stuff. After I did this, I discovered there's a crack in this fitting that this goes into the tank. The flange of the fitting had a crack in it, probably from being hit. This is pointed way down, so I raised that up so that it just misses the under body part there. So we're going to take a look at that crack, and I'm going to show you how I sealed it and what I used to seal it with. Okay, here we are underneath the tank, and here's the valve. You can see I got this one. And I got this one up so that it just barely misses this top part here. The other one was hanging way down. These are tanks are made of some kind of poly something. 3 different polys. So imagine over the years it had 3 different types of polys. Up here was my crack. Whoops. Okay. I had a crack that went from here, right about here, up this way to the edge of that plastic stuff there, you can see. That's pretty good. Well, there's a real close-up of finished patch job. It's all real nice and black. Actually, I took this plate off up here. I see back in there real good. Okay, let me show you what I used to patch that with. And it works, it really works. I filled that up, and took a little ride, and got no leaks coming out. Okay, I used a combination of things to seal that tank with. I've tried a lot of different things. As you can see, I have plastic welders of all kinds. That polyurethane is hard to get stuff to weld to. I even used these jugs, which is what the tanks are made of, poly something, and some heat, and did some welding. This worked best. Okay, here's a plastic repair kit. Comes in these bottles, different colors, white, clear, and black. And then you mix it with this stuff, and that really makes plastic like you can make redo your mirrors or something. It's very potent. Use that on it. Used I did this on both sides, inside and out, since I could get to it. So the plastic's in that little crack and just welded to it, both sides. And then I took some of this fiberglassing and some of this weld on 773 ABS. That's from Home Depot. That's to put that black pipe together. That's all that black color you see. I got about 3 coats of this stuff on there, and one of these, 1 coat of that over it. I may do another coat of this. It seems to be doing pretty good. So that's the products that I used. Instead of this repair kit, they have something else now that they say welds to the 3 different polyurethanes. So you might order that instead of this thing. That's at Plastex. And this weld on. This may do it if it's just a small crack with some fiberglass. You can see there I've opened up the back end. I took those panels off. They were just dry rotted wood anyway. And you can see I can get to the valve a lot better. I think I'm going to make a little door on the other side so you can see it a little bit better. But that's good right there. Okay, that's my valve replacement and crack patch repair. Thanks for watching.